Hi everyone, today I'll give you an introduction about big data. In this presentation, I'll explain you what is big data, what are the different sources from where data is being generated, what are the attributes of the big data will be covered in this presentation. What is big data? Big data is a buzzword or catchphrase used to describe a massive volume of both structured and unstructured data that is so large that it's difficult to process using traditional database and software techniques. In this slide, I have shown how data is being generated through different sources, like data is generated through web, e-commerce, retail outlets, bank credit and debit card transactions, and social networking sites. Here I have shown few examples from where the data is continuously generated. Say Google processes 20 petabytes of data per day. Wayback Machine has 3 petabytes of data and generates 100 terabytes per month. Facebook has 2.5 petabytes of user data and generates 15 terabytes of data per day. eBay has 6.5 petabytes of user data and generates 50 terabytes of data per day. There are three dimensions of big data, that is volume, velocity and variety. Volume. The volume of data being stored today is exploding. In the year 2000, 80,000 petabytes of data was stored in the world. Of course, a lot of data that's being created today isn't analyzed at all. This number will reach 35 zettabytes by 2020. Twitter alone generates more than 7 terabytes of data every day. Facebook 10 terabytes and some enterprises generates terabytes of data every hour. Variety. Variety represents all types of data, a fundamental shift in analysis. Requirements from traditional structured data to include raw, semi-structured and unstructured data as part of decision making and insight process. However, an organization's success will rely on its ability to draw insights from the various kinds of data available to it, which include both traditional and non-traditional. Velocity. Just as the volume and variety of the data we collect and store has changed, so too has the velocity at which it is generated and needs to be handled. A conventional understanding of velocity typically considers how quickly the data is arriving and stored and its associated rates of retrieval. How big data creates value? I have identified few attributes where big data can create value. Creating transparency. Simply making big data more easily accessible to relevant stakeholders in a timely manner can create tremendous value. For example, in manufacturing, integrating data from R&D, engineering, and manufacturing units to enable and concurrent engineering can significantly cut time to market and improve quality. Enabling experimentation to discover needs, expose variability, and improve performance. As they create and store more transactional data in digital form, organizations can collect more accurate and detailed performance data in real and near real time. Segmenting populations to customize actions. Big data allows organizations to create highly specific segmentations and to tailor products and services precisely to meet those needs. This approach is well known in marketing and risk management. Supporting human decision making with sophisticated algorithms. Sophisticated analytics can substantially improve decision making, minimize risk, and unearth valuable insights that would otherwise remain hidden. Innovating new business models, products, and services. Big data enables companies to create new products and services, enhance existing ones, and invent entirely new business models. Manufacturers are using data obtained from the use of actual product to improve the development of the next generation of products and to create innovative after-sales service offerings. At last but not the least, in a nutshell, big data is about better analytics. That is all from my end. In case of any query and additional information, you can reach out to the mentioned email address or post a query on the official website.